Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi there from Jessica. I'm here today with a beautiful place to explore in Brazil, Praia do Forte. This beautiful area sits in the northeastern state of Bahia, nestled among some stunning cliffside panoramas. As someone who loves to explore, I couldn't contain my excitement about this magical place. The first thing I noticed was how gorgeous the coastline was. As I strolled around, I discovered plenty of cultural attractions that intrigued me, from the cashew trees with tasty tropical fruits to places like the Fort of the Generosity, a former prison that was later turned into a museum and educational center. The Praia do Forte also offers a diverse range of fun activities including jet skiing, paragliding, and boat tours. I was able to take part in these experiences and have unforgettable memories. What I found particularly enchanting about Praia do Forte was the friendly local people. Everyone was so welcoming, and it made me feel like I had a family away from home. So, if you're looking for a tranquil, yet fun-filled trip with some gorgeous views and genuine local culture, I definitely recommend you pay Praia do Forte a visit. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and comment your favorite part. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to join me on my next adventure.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!